Alright, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at a surprise, like pop-up meet, I guess you could say. Oh, let me get my face out of the sun. We're at a supercar meet in Irving. Don't know how or where this came up, but it did, so we're here. Let's take a look. Okay, so when some of the Vipers show up, all the Vipers show up. This is probably my favorite spec right here. Check that out. That red and black. Woo! Very nice. Very, very nice. You gotta give love to the C7s and the, well, Q60? Okay. Looking at the Gallardo, yellow spec, right next to the Z06. Just look at the comparison between the two. Nice. Looking good in the SRT Hellcatty. Here, kitty. Look out now. Don't know what color this BMW is. This M something, because I get confused now. But that's a very clean spec. Regular car, toy car, clean interior. Another really clean spec though. What? Very nice. Sorry for the shaky hand. Audi. Very cool Audi. Different spec. That's kind of interesting. Corvette C8. Oh, sorry. Shaky hand again. I think this does have the engine appearance package, I believe. Very nice. We're trying to figure out what kind of Audi this is. I've seen a couple of them now. Oh, it's an S3. Pretty sick. Nice. Very different. Notice this Mach 5 Supra. Uh-oh. The Supra, but you want to hear what the Z06 sounds like? When America makes a Ferrari. God, that car is nice.
When we're booking it, I'll tell her.
So we're looking at another Viper, of course. Viper. Very clean spec. Is this a... Oh, I don't know my Vipers. Let me know in the comments. What's the difference between that Viper and this Viper, besides the year? So we got a Maybach. Look at the size of those rims, man. Jesus. I think it's long. So, let us look. Porsche. The Aston. What spec is that? I think it's a 12? I'm not sure. Right next to the Huracan. I think this is a Nismo GTR, but I'm not sure. Looking around. That's pretty sick. Woo! GTR. Bike stuff. Shout out to the anti-social group. Want to look at this Cadillac. I don't know if this is the Blackwing or not. I think it is the TSV Blackwing. I am not sure. I don't know my Cadillacs, but GG4. Oh, nice. Took a look at the Merc, but look at this build on this Camaro. Look at that. That is very clean. Very clean. Interior, Z28. Whoa, that's a bug. Nice. Very cool. Another spec out in Mach 5. Very clean. very basic, very nice. Wonder how these are going to do in the next couple of years. So the only Porsche here, look at this interior. Cool. Nice. Yo, let's take a look before we go. The track killer. Nice. GTS. What this? Reptile. Nice. Much love to Vipers. All right. That was real quick. Real easy. First time I've ever been here. I don't know. Small. Couple of cool cars. But anyway, if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, see what you like. Tell me what you don't like. The usual. And until next time, late.